Hi, this is Justin with Social Networking Professor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a great tool called Ping.fm, and this allows you to update your status on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more, all within one application. So this will save you a lot of time. The first thing that you do is go to Ping.fm. There's no .com, it's just Ping.fm. And then from here, you go to sign up. Along the top is where it is right now. You put in your email address and choose a password. And then you hit sign up. It'll automatically ask you what kind of accounts you want to associate it to it. For this one, I'm going to do Twitter. So what it does automatically is it asks me to put in my username and password for Twitter. Once you've put in your username and password for Twitter, you hit submit. And this, of course, is assuming that you're going to be using this program to update Twitter. Now, if you wanted to come back here, at some point, if you didn't want to update Twitter anymore, then you can uncheck it here. That's under settings and service settings. Now, if we go back to edit profile, sorry, that's not right. Although while we're here, we need to put in a username and password. And hit update profile. So this takes us to our dashboard. We'd also get to this by clicking on dashboard at the top, but you have to put in a username for your profile before you can do anything else. Now we're going to add other networks. We can add Facebook and etc. Choose add Facebook. You'll add network next to Facebook. And it'll give you a message about this. Facebook requires you to have once you've added, you'll be redirected to a page where you can put in an application code. So we do Facebook, click on Facebook. It'll ask us for the username and password for Facebook. And then we'll go ahead and hit login. Now, in this case, I got an error, and this happens fairly often actually with Facebook applications that they come up with an error, this default error message. I'm going to hit try again. And this time it went through. If everything goes through without an error, then this is the first page you'll come to. But if you happen to come to that error, then you can hit try again. And worst case scenario, you'll have to go back into Ping.fm at some point and try adding it at another point. It has to do with traffic, so if it's really busy, then sometimes that will cause it to fail. You'll see that it's asking for an application key, and then it has click here to get your application key. I'm going to right click on this and choose open a new tab, or you can do new window. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't want it to close the window I'm on. I don't think it would anyway, but I just wanted to click on that just to make sure. Then we highlight this application key, right click, choose copy, go back to the Facebook, the ping page where we're adding Facebook. We hit paste. Now the whole key is in here, and you hit submit. Looks like we got an error again. I'm going to hit try again. Try again. I actually had to hit try again several times, 3 or 4 times, in order for it to go ahead and get connected up. But now it's all connected up. It says you can update it. Click here, and then I'll take you back to your the ping.fm page. I'm going to click on dashboard. See, now we have Twitter and Facebook. Now we choose add more networks, because I want to add LinkedIn as well. There it is, at LinkedIn, add network. It's going to ask for your LinkedIn account. So you just go ahead and hit submit. And this pop-up, by the way, is just my own password protection. It won't pop up on your screen like that. And see, now it's brought us back to the service settings so that we can see everything by how it's set up by default. So by default now, if we post something to ping.fm, which we can do from the dashboard, it's going to post to Twitter, it's going to update the Facebook status, and update your LinkedIn status. If we go back to dashboard here, you have a box just like you have in Twitter, and you can type in here. And then you hit ping it. And those are the basics for setting up your ping.fm account so that you can easily update your status in multiple places through one interface. Thank you.